Hello everybody. So today I'm going to show you how I add the VFX. Luke's Gaming requested a tutorial, so that's what I'm gonna do. Let's see, just go right here. Okay, so I go to YouTube. I go realistic punch fight SFX. So basically I just get fight scene sound effects. So and then I can literally just get a video punch MP4. I'm pretty sure that's what I put or something like that. I literally don't know where it is. It's something like that. But basically, I just screen record it and then I cut off the part that I want, and then I just go to flipaclip, make a project, and then I just import the audio. So I just go right here, like that, and I can pick this. And I choose the part that I want to take from, and then yeah. So that is how I made this video. Anyways, bye.